Alright, today we are going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this Always Folio. It measures 8.5 by 8.5 and the spines are 1 inch wide. This is a really quick and easy folio to make that has quite a bit of real estate and it's a lot of fun. So stay tuned. And howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of this 8.5 by 8.5 by 1 inch folio. This is really quick and easy to make, and I will be posting a tutorial for this in the coming days. So this paper is actually old designer series paper from Stampin' Up, but you can do this with really any paper. So the cover is pretty simple. It's a split cover and it just uses a piece of covered chipboard and magnets to help hold it closed, and I used 4 magnets to do that. So when you open it up, on the left hand side you have a couple of cute little tag pockets, and you can fit small cropped photos on these. So they're again quick and easy to make, and then it just folds open, and on the other side you have a couple more of these quick and easy tags to make, and I just used a We Are Memory Keepers punch to get the tags made quickly, and then I just used my Crocodile with some quicklets to make them. And this is just a quick and easy waterfall feature. And then on the other side, on the right hand side, you have pretty much the exact same layout. So I just, for the tags, for the little tufted piece that you see there, I just used some chiffon ribbon, cloth, whatever. I buy it on Amazon, but it works really well. It's kind of got that distressed look, and you can get it in lots of different colors. I love using it in my albums for ties and bows, and it's just really great. And then of course we just have another waterfall feature here, same as what we had on the left side, and they are magnetized with closures. So this middle part is just another piece of cardstock that's been magnetized, so you have a lot of real estate on the cover, and then on the back you have a bunch more real estate. And then down in the bottom it's just a large pocket that I've used an edge punch on to make a little bit fancier, and then I just took some of my bigger scrap pieces of cardstock and pattern paper, and I just made some quick little tags to stick in the pocket. So you could make, this pocket is large enough that you could make a whole bunch of extra photo mats. And then this last one is just it opens up. So it's a little tiny kind of booklet, sort of. So I will work on getting the tutorial for this posted as soon as I can. It's recorded, it just needs to be edited. So stay tuned for that in the coming days, and as always, thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. That will let you know when I've got new videos posted. Thanks everyone!